Hey there folks, can you believe it's already February? The chill is finally saying its goodbyes, but we're not. We're only saying hellos to our new features. Introducing Automatic Warmup. Now what is a warmup, you might ask? Let me tell you. Think of email domain warmup like getting your morning coffee just right. You wouldn't dive into a scalding cup of Java straight away, right? It's the same with Automatic Warmup. We're easing your email domain into the inbox world like a gradual sip of that perfectly brewed blend. No one likes a burnt tongue and no one likes landing in the spam folder either. So we're here to make sure your emails are the smooth, well-tempered delight they should be. Cheers to a warm, welcoming inbox experience. With Automatic Warmup, we can take at least some of the hassle off your hands. The way this works is if you intend to send an email campaign to a large audience, let's say 10,000 recipients, and you have just verified your new custom domain, the ESPs normally wouldn't take kindly to a new domain sending to such a large audience. That's where we come in. Automatic Warmup splits your audience into separate groups. The first group will receive your emails through your custom domain that you have just authenticated, and the other will receive it through our shared and trusted domain. The first batch that would be sent through your own domain would be relatively small and would bump up in volume with each campaign sent, until your domain is warmed up and there would be no need for a shared domain to even come into play. You can see the volume that your domain would take up on screen now. If you don't see the feature on your end, don't worry. This either means that you are using a shared domain or your custom domain is not verified yet. We have plenty of videos that could help you with that down in the description. Or it could mean that your domain is already steaming hot and there's no need to warm it up anyway. And that's it, just another day of Omnisend making your sender journey easier so you can have more time for a relaxing cup of joe. Cheers!